What is up guys, welcome back to a new video. It's been a while. I recently got a job, so I haven't really got the time to vlog for you guys, but I'm on my way to one of my friends and I'm making a video today. I'm rebuilding my engine, my 80cc engine. As you can see, I have new parts here for the engine, new oil, engine oil, etc, etc.
Dopeworm.com.
So as you can see, the motor is already put together. I did not film the whole process how it was put together, but yeah, I was so busy so I couldn't make the video, but it needs to be put back on the motorcycle. So as you can see guys, the motor's already on the frame. I already put it on. I did start it before, but I kind of did not make a video because of my phone battery, but it's time to start it again for you guys. Okay, let's just start it. So if you made it to the end of today's video, give this video a thumbs up, share, comment down below, and if you like it also, share this post on your Facebook account. Thank you for watching and I will see you in the next video.